Have you ever tried learning English online but felt like you needed 5 different apps just to make real progress? You're not alone. In fact, nearly half of learners say they use at least 2 or more apps because one app simply isn't enough. And yet many still get stuck with simple phrases, struggling to advance beyond the basics. That's exactly why Vakame exists, and today I'm going to show you one of its most powerful features, reading mode. Now let me show you how reading mode actually works. On the left side, you can type or paste any text you want, an article, a story, even your own notes. Once you switch to reading mode, the text appears on the left side, ready for you to explore. On the right side, you'll see the dictionary panel. When you click on a word, Vakame instantly shows you its definitions. But here's where it gets smarter. Instead of overwhelming you with a giant list, Vakame's AI highlights the top 3 most relevant meanings based on context. That means less guesswork and more accurate understanding. Every word in your text is automatically added to your personal vocabulary, so you're building your word bank just by reading. And if you notice expressions or idioms that aren't captured automatically, you can save them manually with one click. This way, nothing important slips through the cracks. Down at the bottom, you'll find the navigation bar. The menu button lets you quickly move around the app. The edit button takes you back into editing mode if you want to change or add text. And then there's the multi button, short for multi-select mode. This is where it gets really powerful. You can select 2 or more words at once and Vakame will look them up together. Perfect for phrases, idioms, or collocations like take off, break down, or on the other hand. Finally, when you open a word in the dictionary, you can listen to its pronunciation, check spelling, and even save it into specific vocab lists for later practice. Over time, this builds a personalized learning system that grows with you, not just a dictionary, but a tool that adapts to your level and your goals.
Vakame, Vakame,